Okay, bye.
Now, who gave this stuff to you?
Grandma.
Grandma who?
Grandma Button.
Grandma Button and Papa who?
Papa.
Which Papa?
I will open.
Open it. Okay, Tate. Hey. Tatey, why don't you open it too? Look, sweetie. Here. Look.
Wow.
Whoa, what's in there, Arden?
I kiss it. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Mama. Mama.
Whoa, wait, there was something right there. What is this? Oh my, oh, well, that's Mommy and Daddy. Okay, what is that? Can you open that? Okay, rip it open.
No. It's that.
It's not stuck. Silly.
Please.
You need help?
Please.
Oh, wow, it makes a lot of noise, that thing.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
That's mine.
Okay, well, who gave it to you?
Grandma.
Yeah, you love Grandma?
No. Oh, yeah.
Open it.
Open it.
Hey, Tatey. What is it?